Welcome back. The world of AI keeps getting very interesting, and today I am bringing you an AI tool that can help you generate poor quality content in seconds. I know, ChatGPT is there, but this one is more tailored. I don't know if you understand what Google does. Google has this four thing that helps you build content and trust the content, but this one is an advanced AI and Google jump together. So let's jump right in and see what we can do here. The name is Alpha Jack Niji. I will drop the link for you to access this platform in the description button. Yeah, this is the name right here as you are seeing my cursor. So how do you navigate this platform? It's really interesting. This is a plus button, all of this, but I'm not going to go into that. I just wanted to show you how you can generate pro quality content in seconds. So what you need to do is come here and search for a tool. What do you need? Do you actually need a tool or not? Okay, if you do not need a tool, go ahead and type your SEO of what you want to talk about. Okay, first of all, you have to add a topic of what you want to talk about. For today, I want to talk about cryptocurrency. That's what I want to talk about. So what is the keyword? The keyword I want to talk about is still crypto. That's to be in the keyword. For me, you can choose any topic that you want to talk about. You can want to talk about AI, money, digital finance. Why I'm choosing digital finance is because for people that stays in the UK, you must have heard that digital pound is coming out very soon. So if people are going to use digital pound, it means they're pivoting to digital finance. So do you want a voice? I don't need a voice. Do you need a point of view? I don't need a point of view. So do you need an outline for what this is supposed to be? You can tell this if you need an outline. You can test all of this feature out, but I just want to show you a little bit of thing. Do you need an introduction? If you have an introduction of what you want it to be, for it to be very inclusive of what you want, you can write it down. A call to action. Buy crypto. If you're a marketer, your call to action should be come and buy, click on this link, extend this thing. It will know how to channel the content to make sense of it. That's the real essence. So do you want to disable images? Because the good thing about this is it gives you image, it gives you everything that you need. So once you are done putting all that you need, you click on generate full content and it will generate a topic for you and it will tell you exactly what you want. Now, it's generating the topic from what I put in here as my keywords. Crypto revolution, unlock digital finance. Do you get digital finance, money? Digital finance is a revolution. It generates images for you as you are seeing here. If I disable the image here, it wouldn't have generated this image for me. So when I say it is Google and ChatGPT put into one, I meant it. Now, it doesn't generate content as fast as ChatGPT generates content, but it generates really curated, powerful content. If you're a content creator, if you're a marketer, if you're a student, whatever it is that you are, utilize this website and you're going to generate quality and pro content. It will be tested with whatever AI tool is tested and it will pass it, because when I saw it, it was really ideal and I really liked it. So you are going to wait a little bit. That's the only concern. You just have to wait a little bit. Please wait for it to generate the content. It's not super fast as ChatGPT, but it's totally awesomely amazing. So when you log in here, you're going to first of all sign in, verify your email. And if you don't verify your email, you won't have access to this. So you verify your email and you come here and you work on it. Once you come, it's going to tell you how to navigate all of these things here. I don't want this video to be long, else I would have shown you, but it's a typical website that this is adding. Now the good thing about all of this is that immediately this content finishes generating, you can copy this content and make a post out of it. Make a Medium post out of it. Make a LinkedIn article out of it. Look at it. It doesn't run out of words. It's almost done. It's telling you in conclusion, while each option has its own unique set of pros and cons, depending on individual needs and preferences regarding digital finance market, it is up to each user decide which solution makes sense based upon their resource availability. So 4 alternatives to Bitcoin and their usability is still generating. So if you think you don't want it to generate content again, you can cancel it here. If you feel all of this is too much and you don't want the article to be this long, I mean, it's getting too long because it's analyzing a lot of things. Now, if you put context into it, like the outline, the introduction, it wouldn't be this long because you would have more of like put it into a box and say, don't go beyond this outline, don't go beyond this introduction. But because I did not put outline, I did not put my introduction, it's still generating as much as possible. So because I don't want it to generate again, I will cancel it. And it is canceling. It takes few seconds for it to pre-process and stop the cancellation. So while it is canceling, we can see it is still writing, but it's going to cancel it at the end of it. So like I said, exactly, this is it. So when it's done, you see it's generating image as it is generating the content. You can just copy it here, copy all the text and paste it somewhere. Edit it if you want to edit it. Put it in Grammarly if you want to put it in Grammarly. Put it at Quillbot if you want to put it at Quillbot to paraphrase the content for you. Whatever you want to do with it, you can do with it. So guys, this is the end of this video. This is how you can use this to actually generate pro content. Go ahead and type and generate your content. Tell me in the comment section what exactly it was for you. Was it helpful for you? Did it answer your question? Did you feel it is highly intelligent? What is it for you? And if there's I've made other posts about AI and how to use them. Check my channel and stay true to it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Stay blessed and have a great life, Julie.